Decadent Coffee Cheesecake Pie with Coffee Sauce recipe. Hey there, coffee and dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a recipe that combines two of life's greatest pleasures, coffee and cheesecake. Get ready to indulge in our coffee cheesecake pie with a rich and velvety coffee sauce. Let's dive in. Ingredients. For the crust. 1½ cups of crushed chocolate cookies. 6 tablespoons of melted butter. For the filling. 2 packages, 16 ounces each, of cream cheese, softened. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, dissolved in 2 tablespoons of hot water. For the coffee sauce. 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, dissolved in 2 tablespoons of cold water. Instructions. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Mix together the crushed chocolate cookies and melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture into the bottom and up the sides of a pie dish to form the crust. Pop it in the oven for 10 minutes to set. While the crust is baking, let's whip up the creamy cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar until smooth and fluffy. Add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, mix in the flour, vanilla extract, and the dissolved instant coffee until everything is evenly incorporated. Pour the coffee-infused cheesecake filling into the pre-baked crust, spreading it out evenly. Now, it's time to bake this beauty in the oven for about 30-35 minutes, or until the center is set but still slightly jiggly. While our cheesecake pie is baking, let's whip up a luscious coffee sauce to drizzle on top. In a small saucepan, combine the strong brewed coffee, heavy cream, and sugar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it's heated through, stir in the dissolved cornstarch mixture and continue to cook until the sauce thickens, about 2-3 minutes. Remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Our coffee cheesecake pie is out of the oven and looking absolutely divine. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight to firm up. And there you have it, folks. A decadent coffee cheesecake pie with a luxurious coffee sauce that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings and coffee fix in one delicious bite. Serve it up with a piping hot cup of coffee for the ultimate indulgence. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy baking and sipping. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.